Greetings, IT enthusiast. Certification Cynergy has another IT training course ready and waiting for you. Whether you are continuing with us after moving on from our CompTIA Tech Plus training or you are discovering us for the first time, welcome to Certification Cynergy. By clicking on this video, you have opened the door to our CompTIA A Core 1 complete training course. And guess what? It's going to cost you absolutely nothing. That's right. This full-length course is 100% free. No hidden fees, no additional content charges, just pure, concentrated knowledge tailored to teach you everything you need to know in order to pass the CompTIA A Core 1 certification exam. With that said, we are excited that you have chosen us as your guide while you prepare for the CompTIA A Core 1 certification exam, and we appreciate the opportunity to share our expertise with you. And just once more, in case you didn't believe me the first time, this complete training course is a free, self-paced learning resource here for everyone's benefit. So, what makes Certification Cynergy the best IT training in town? Easy. Besides our strategic and orderly presentation of exam topics, we make learning feel like a walk in the park. You can expect to learn from vivid, comprehensible video segments, all seasoned with a dash of humor to keep the experience lively. This course isn't just a learning pathway, it's a guided experience. If you are still listening, it is now time to get down to business and discuss what this certification is all about. Now we will explore what makes an ideal candidate for the CompTIA A+ certification and this training course. This certification is for entry-level problem solvers and innovative thinkers. If you have a solid grasp of IT basics, presumably from the CompTIA Tech Plus certification, and a zest for turning technological puzzles into triumphs, this is your call to action. The A+ journey welcomes those who are ready and willing to bridge the gap between users and the magic of tech. Whether you're dreaming of being the tech wizard everyone relies on, or you envision a future crafting cutting-edge solutions, the CompTIA A+ certification is the logical next step following the Foundational Tech Plus certification. So how do you become CompTIA A+ certified? It is important to know that this widely recognized credential requires you to successfully pass two separate exams, known as the Core 1 and the Core 2 exams. Each of these exams dives into distinct yet complementary domains of IT knowledge. Core 1 focuses on the essentials of hardware and networking, while Core 2 dives deeper into operating systems, security, and operational procedures. Together, these exams validate the dual spectrum of practical and theoretical expertise that is essential for entry-level IT professionals. Achieving a passing score on both exams is a necessary component to obtaining the CompTIA A+ certification. As for this course, I will be covering every topic needed to pass the Core 1 part of this two-headed certification beast. Taking a step back, let's understand the overall path to IT foundational mastery. If you are here, ideally you have earned your CompTIA Tech Plus certification, or you have at least acquired comparable foundational IT skills, priming you for this A+ Core 1 course. As your guide and educator for this leg of the journey, I will help you build upon your already strong foundational knowledge, equipping you with the expertise needed to tackle and succeed in subsequent certifications such as the CompTIA Network Plus and the CompTIA Security Plus. This course is designed to be a stepping stone, helping you to grow while progressively expanding on your IT capabilities. Next, you need to know what IT concepts will be taught in this course. The CompTIA A+ Core 1 certification exam focuses on the essential IT skills and knowledge needed to complete tasks commonly performed by entry-level IT professionals. To pass, you will need to have the knowledge and skills required to understand mobile devices, basic networking, computing hardware, virtualization, and cloud computing. Additionally, this exam will assess your knowledge of troubleshooting scenarios related to these topics. Moving on with our introduction, we come to the exam details. The current version of the CompTIA A Plus Core 1 exam, officially known as 220-1201, was released on March of 2025. This version reflects the most up-to-date expectations for entry-level IT professionals, so everything you'll be learning in this course is aligned with the skills the industry values today. When you sit for the exam, you will be presented with up to 90 multiple-choice questions, along with a few performance-based questions, lovingly referred to as PBQs. You will have a total of 90 minutes to complete the test, which means time management will be important. The passing score is 675, and the exam is scored on a scale that goes all the way up to 900. Now, the scoring system for the CompTIA A Plus Core 1 exam might seem a little confusing at first, especially since it's based on a scale that goes up to 900. So, to make things clearer, here is a helpful breakdown we use at Certification Cynergy. If your score falls below 500, it simply means you need a bit more time with the material, and that's okay. Everyone starts somewhere, and progress is part of the process. If you score between 500 and 674, you're getting really close. A few more focused study sessions, and you'll be ready to go. If you score between 675 and 749, congratulations. That means you've officially passed your CompTIA A Plus Core 1 exam. If you land in the 750 to 799 range, it shows that you've mastered most of the material and really know your stuff. And if you score 800 or higher, well, you didn't just pass. You crushed it. And finally, if you happen to earn a perfect 900, contact us immediately. We want to hire you. Just kidding. But in all seriousness, be proud. Even seasoned IT professionals rarely achieve a perfect score. Next, here is something every test taker should know. And trust me, it's a game changer. When it comes to preparing for your A Plus Core 1 exam, the CompTIA exam objectives are your absolute best friend. This document is not just a general overview. It's a detailed guide that outlines everything you need to know before exam day. It breaks down how many questions to expect, what types of questions you'll see, like multiple choice, and most importantly, the exact topics you're expected to understand. Think of it like your official study roadmap. It tells you what to focus on, how the content is organized, and where to spend your time. It's almost like having a cheat sheet, but completely legal because it comes straight from CompTIA themselves. Many students skip over this resource, but those who take the time to review it carefully usually feel much more confident walking into the exam. So don't treat it like optional reading. Treat it like your secret weapon for passing. According to the exam objectives I just mentioned, the A Plus Core 1 exam is structured around 5 core domains, each representing a major area of knowledge that you'll need to understand. These domains aren't just random categories. They help shape the exam itself. Each one is assigned a specific percentage, which tells you how much of the exam is focused on that area. For example, mobile devices makes up 13% of the A Plus Core 1 exam. Next, we have networking, which makes up 23%. Then there is hardware, which makes up 25%. Virtualization and cloud computing account for 11%. And finally, we have hardware and network troubleshooting, which is the largest domain at 28%. Together, these 5 domains give you a complete picture of what to expect, and knowing how they're weighted can help you study smarter, not harder. Once you're familiar with the 5 A Plus Core 1 exam domains, the next step is to understand how each domain is organized. Every domain is broken down into exam objectives, and these objectives outline the specific knowledge and skills you're expected to master. Think of the domains as chapters and the objectives as the lessons inside each chapter. Let's look at Domain 1 as an example. This domain is labeled Mobile Devices, and it kicks off with Objective 1.1. Given a scenario, monitor mobile device hardware and use appropriate replacement techniques. Within this objective, we have a series of key ideas or topics. Now, if any of these topics feel unfamiliar, don't worry. That's exactly why this course exists. We will take our time walking through each topic in a way that's clear, approachable, and focused on your success. So, Why are we putting so much emphasis on the exam objectives before getting into the technical topics? Because they truly matter. They're one of the most valuable tools you have when preparing for the CompTIA A plus Core 1 exam. While they're often overlooked, the exam objectives provide the clearest and most direct path to success. They outline exactly what you need to know, so you're not wasting time guessing what might be on the test. You can use them to guide your study as you move through the course, and once you've finished, come back to them as a final checklist. A last-minute review of the objectives can help you focus your thoughts and spot any weak areas before test day. To help you get started, you can download the official exam objectives using the link we've provided in the video description below. Now, here's how to get the most out of this course. Watch each video segment at your own pace. Pause when you need to. Rewind if something doesn't quite click the first time. And feel free to revisit any topic as many times as it takes to feel confident. This course is here for you whenever and however you need it. And while you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way, you'll always know where to find us, and you'll stay up to date with all the free training content we're constantly adding. Countless learners, just like you, have already used certification Cynergy to kickstart their IT careers. And now it's your turn. You've taken the first step, so let's dive into the first lesson and get you certified. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.